Hello and welcome to all. In this video, we'll examine if this product called Smart Blood Sugar delivers on its promises. Is it true that it does everything they say it does to reverse diabetes and return to a healthy and normal way of life? Will it satisfy our sugar cravings? Will it make our bodies stop manufacturing too much insulin? And what are the product's benefits and disadvantages, as well as any precautions or side effects? Let's get started. Here, as the author indicated, no dietary restrictions. No ridiculous workout routine. How a 59-year-old diabetic man reduced his fasting blood sugar by 80 points in a matter of hours. He stopped taking insulin for good 3 days later. Let's see whether those are genuine and if they work. Here is the story of 59-year-old John, who is suffering from organ failure. This tells how he followed a diabetes reversal diet and went from losing hope in life to regaining it when his blood sugar plummeted 80 points, and it's a true story. Yes, this Smart Blood Sugar program works, and let's see if they're having a 100% risk-free usage of this program. Yes. They also provide a 60-day money-back guarantee. Now we don't have to worry since we can use this program for 58 days and receive a refund on the 59th day. That seems weird, but don't do it. If it works, keep it. If it doesn't, you can get a refund. But here it works 100% for all for real. Now, we'll look at the benefits and drawbacks of this scheme. Yes, it works flawlessly, and no complaints or negative feedback have been received since the product's launch. Within a day of using it, your blood sugar level will drop. Sugar cravings are reduced. You do not need to spend 60 minutes doing dull exercises because this product has been scientifically proven, and study has been conducted before to its release. You'll also receive 5 exciting freebies, including a 7-day meal plan and grocery list, as well as foods for diabetes, how to read a food label, a carb count cheat sheet, and alcohol that actually works. And now, some of the certain side effects or disadvantages we are about to discuss. If you are taking any medication for other issues, just get advice from the author or medical advices. Now it's time for the big surprise for those of you who are preparing to purchase this product from Z-Panda. Yes, you will receive a significant amount of premium content for free. The Gaia Originals series, Transcendence, is a worldwide hit that has forced a total reconsideration of human history. Its 2 sessions include all 10 episodes for free. To claim that free bonus is very simple as that, after purchasing this product, from the link listed below, in the description and, as well as in the first comment section of this video. Simply, take a screenshot, and send it to the Z-Panda official Instagram mentioned below. Whatever product you have, without action, it becomes useless. Only action takers have achieved and conquered everything in this world. Are you one of those action takers, or are you simply procrastinating and returning to your boring lifestyle? We are waiting on the other side with all the benefits and premium bonuses for those who have promised themselves to change their lives by taking actions. I hope all your doubts cleared and keep safe. Bye, until next time.